Hi guys, I hope you are ready to jump to the turtle graphics course. What does it mean, turtle graphics? Turtle graphics means that if we will run our code, there will be some screen, we can call it screen surface, as you wish, and there will be a small turtle on the screen, and the turtle will do lots of things, okay? And we will play with the turtle by our code. So how I said in the previous video, if you have already installed Python, you install turtle graphics as well, so everything should be absolutely okay, guys. I hope everything will goes fine. If it doesn't, and there will be some error, so you can copy this error and put it to the comments section for this video, and I hope I will be able to help you. Or you can put it in some AI, for example ChatGPT or whatever you want, and you can check what you need if there is some problem, but I believe there will be no problem, guys, for you. So turtle graphics, we know what is it, but we need to start with turtle graphics. So how we will start? Do you remember that we have some modules? We spoke about it in the previous tutorial in Python for beginners. So we have there, for example, import random. Do you remember? That's how you import the whole module random. But here it's a slightly different, because we need to import something what it's called turtle. So it's a whole module, okay? But I don't want to import the whole module, because I need, or we need, only two things from this module. So it means it goes slightly different. So I tell to the Python, please from turtle module import these two things, turtle and the screen. You don't have to write a space here if you want, it's up to you, but the rest has to be, sorry guys, turtle but the rest has to be exactly like this, turtle and screen with a big first letter, okay? So be careful. Of course you will have a new textbook in the description of every video, so the code will be always there. So if you need it, you can just copy the code, okay? But I hope everything will be fine for you and it will works for you. So please Python, from turtle import me turtle and screen. So why these two things? Turtle is the turtle and the screen is the surface when the turtle can move and do lots of things, okay? So that's why we need these two things. After that, we need to create our first turtle. So I will call the turtle Harry, for example. It's an ordinary variable. For maybe you remember about variables from the first tutorial, Python for beginners. You can call it whatever you want, okay? It's completely up to you. And you can store there a string if you want. You can store there a number if you want, and so on and so on. But here I would like to create a new turtle. So what does it mean? I will use this turtle from the turtle module, okay? So this turtle. So and how you will use it? You will write just turtle and these brackets, okay? So it means that you created the first turtle. You can create the second turtle, third turtle, but one turtle is enough for us, okay? After that, you need to create a screen. So I will call it, for example, my screen. You can call it whatever you want. It's ordinary variable as well. And I hope that you know, or I think that you can guess how we will create the screen, right? Because we imported the screen. So again, screen and brackets, okay? So you create a turtle, you create the screen. And now I would like to do something or one more thing with the screen. So it means when the screen will end. So if you click on the screen, if you took your mouse and click on the screen, I would like to shut shut down the screen. Okay, so it means exit the screen. So you will use this this line, my screen dot exit on click. So if you click on the screen, there will be an exit. Okay, it means the screen will be shut down. Okay, so and this is exactly what we needed. So this is the code which we will need it in the every project which we will write. Okay, in every project. So now if we will run it, we will see if everything goes fine. I will run it. Okay, perfect. I like it. We have the screen. Here is okay, it's not a turtle yet, but it will be. Okay, it's an arrow, but it's absolutely okay. And if I will click on the screen like this, click, so it is there is an exit. Okay, so it will shut down. Or the screen was closed. Okay, perfect. I like it. So if you have this and it works after you will run it like this, everything it's fine, everything it's okay. So this is the basic when we when you want to use a turtle graphics. Okay, so you have to import these two things, create these two things, and put here my screen dot exit on click. Okay, so I hope you understand what does it mean. And of course you don't have to remember it. Okay, we will write it anytime we will create a new project. So and we will cover a lots of project, guys. So it's absolutely okay. I hope you understand, and we can continue in the next video.